We're sad. We're eating ice cream to feel the pain. Soon.
Good ice cream.
I just choked a second ago.
Chug it, chug it, chug it.
Come on. Eat. Are you gonna choke yourself with the spoon?
That's with a dinky little spoon.
Are you okay? She's dying.
Ew! I don't want to see your food.
Bye. That was funny. It's not supposed to be funny, it's supposed to be sad.
It was sad.
Really? I have the urge to dance.
Okay, go dance.
Go with me.
I'm eating.
So am I.
Uh-huh.